Life is full of troubles, life is full of many challenges. Hello, everybody. Hi, everyone. Good day. Welcome back to another video. This is Quotes with Sally, and my name is Sally. From the title of the video, you could tell this is an unboxing video. So stick and stay, and let's get started. But before that, I would like to share one quote by Maya Angelou, which says, "You may face many defeats in life, but don't let that get you defeated." Before we begin, please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment. So let's get started. Okay, so I bought my iPhone XR from Amazon. I made the order and then it came 2 days after. It was supposed to come at 8 o'clock p.m., but then it came around 7 p.m. I wasn't expecting it that early. I thought it would come maybe within 3 days or 4 days, not like the 2 days as they said, but then it came on time and came in this form. The address and everything is here. As you can see, I'm really excited, so let's start to unbox it. So this is it. I hope you all can see. Okay. Ooh. Let's see. Apple iPhone. I'm about to open it. So this is how it looks like. I think there's something here. Okay. The charger and the cable. And this is the SIM eject pin. I think, okay, the SIM eject pins are two. And this right here is the main man. Okay. So hello, this is my iPhone XR. Let's see. Okay. I think I would have to set this up, and after I'm setting it up, I'll show it to everybody. But then I also bought a phone cover, phone case, whatever, and a screen protector. I feel the screen protector takes time and you need to be more careful. So I'll do it off camera and then I'll show you the results later. But here is the phone case. I'll use the phone case for it after I am done setting it up. I am done setting the phone up. This is how it looks. Oh, sorry. Yeah, so and it's time for me to use the phone case. Hey, am I doing it right? I chose this protector because of how the texture is and how shiny it is. So. This is the finishing results. Tell me what you think about this phone case in the comment section. Did I make the right choice? Oh, for me I did. But then tell me what you think. The screen protector. The instructions are here. Life is full of many troubles. Life is full of challenges. Life is full of defeats. But don't let that get into you and don't get defeated. This brings us to the end of today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to share. And then tell me your thoughts in the comment section. As always, smile, be happy, and stay safe. Bye.